know why it's like slagging when I get going. Ooh, bright light. Oh, that was nice. Is he gonna go around the road to the right or actually turn right? I'm already ready for spring and summer. Gosh, every time I ride, there's always an ambulance. Are they guardian angels or an omen? Nah, they're stopping for lunch. Woohoo! Almost forgot to put that down. It's nice to ride. I just wish it was a little bit warmer, but at least it's not raining. It's been raining a lot lately. We need the rain though. We really do. It's hard to see because it's so bright to me. Actually, I'm going to turn in here. Let's go in this way. There's Lowe's, Lowe's knows. So stop, stop. I see nobody. Let's go. Can probably make out some pedestrians if I squint. Ooh, motorcycle! Where do we want to park? Ugh. Okay. Cool. Oh, those hands are cold. Cheaper than. Oh, it's a sweet puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hey, Daddy. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, you're so cute. You're spoiled, aren't you? You look like a big old happy pillow. Yes, you. Good boy. Boy, right? Okay. So, should I double bag it? I'm not sure about these bags. Yeah. Okay, open. Get it up over. Okay. I think that'll tide us over. You know, next time you go to that place to get the 20-pound bags, if they have parakeet, go ahead and get that too. I think those are going to be fine to tide over for now. Ooh, wacky wood. Well, I can't get that yet till I get my paycheck. A new fancy paycheck. Squirrel logs! Let's feed the squirrels. Okie day. You too. I don't know where I want to go, so I feel like I'm just going to ride. So, like, down that way. And then get on to Stark. Yep. Alright. Look at my feet dangle. So I guess we'll just ride around, and you could just follow me. Okay, you good? Do. Birds, birds, birds. We're just gonna ride around. Okay. You ain't honking at me. Let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in. Going straight through. I need to get some good riding in. I want to go around the block the long way. 995. Almost there. Ooh, see how much that's changed over here. Whew. Hello, school bus. I'm getting cold. Yeah, there's a crosswalk there, but yeah, who needs one? Army. I'm getting cold. Ambulance. Oh, hey, buddy. Bumpity bump bump bounce bouncy. I want one of those dancing thingies on my house year round. Oh! It's our buddy. Hello. Oh, those are some donut tires. They're big and chunky. Chunky tires. It's getting chilly out. Go home and turn on the pellet stove. It works. It works. And it's toasty. Ooh, motorcycle. I'm going to move over to this side a little bit so I can see better.
Call that Escalade?
I called them chunky donuts.
No, it's called a mall crawler.
Hey, to each their own. If they have fun, cool. We're having fun. While I freeze my tush off. Go home and turn on that pellet stove. Yay. Whee! Oh, is it getting chilly, chilly? But it's beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna turn my high beams on so I'm seeing that Listerine. Right here is where that bumpy bumps are. There we go. Yeah. Now I'm gonna measy on back over this side. Make sure you're good. Oh, it feels good to ride. Whee-hoo. Wonderful. Oh, by the way, I don't work at that bird store anymore. Long story short, I'll share my story in due time, but right now I have good news. I already landed a new job. It's not that hard when you have integrity, honesty, and you just love what you do. I miss my customers, I miss the birds, but I have my birds and I'll get to have new customers. It's all good. Another ambulance. I'm telling you. Who is it called? Woo! No, I guess green does not mean go. Not right this second. I love it when the sun hits the fall-colored trees. They're so pretty. This is a good ride. Let's see what my mileage. Ooh, 9992. I'm almost there. I'm gonna say it. I hit 1,000 miles my first season. I wonder if the glitter's still here. It's been a minute. Haha. Oh, no glitter. Ooh, look at the leaves, the fall leaves blowing around. That's pretty.